Good morning, Cougars. Today we're starting lesson 2 of rewards. Activity A is an oral activity blending words into parts. Listen, I'm going to say the parts of words. You're going to say the whole word. Reconstruct. What word? Reconstruct. I'll say the parts. You say the word. Listen. Maximum. What word? Maximum. I'll say the parts, you say the word. Listen. Optimism. What word? Optimism. I'll say the parts, you say the word. Decoration. What word? Decoration. I'll say the parts, you say the word. Incapable. What word? Incapable. I'll say the parts, you say the word. Contaminate. What word? Contaminate. Find activity B. You're going to learn a new sound. You may know it already. Look at the first box. The sound of these letters is usually ah. What sound? Ah. What sound? Ah. Go to line 1 in the box. What sound? Ah. Next sound? A. Next sound? A. Ah. Now look at line 2. What sound? A. Ah. A. Ah. Find activity C. When you are reading words and see these letters, first try the sound. If it doesn't make a real word, then try the name. Point to the first letter. Right here. The sound is ah. What sound? Ah. The name is A. What name? A. Next letter. I. What sound? I. The name of this letter is I. Now let's go to activity D. You're going to read parts of real words. Most of these word parts are not real words by themselves. Find line 1. Read the first word, d, it. What word? Dit. Next word part, vas. V, as. What part? Vas. Next word part, t, inked. Tinked. What part? Tinked. Next word part, remember if it has an asterisk, it says its name, A. Fr, A. What word? Fray. Next word part, stant. St, and. Stant. Next word part, bl, is. Blizz. If it has an asterisk, it says its name, I. Tie. What part? Tie. Next word part, ab, hab. Line 3, ist, cyst. What part? Cyst. Next word part, ant, fant. Aunt, naunt. My. Act, packed. Owl, vowel. On, lawn. Vict. Great work, guys. Now let's look for activity E. In activity E, we are going to be underlining vowels. Again, underline vowels in words. Remember, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. What are vowels again? A, E, I, O, U. Listen, each word part has one vowel. What does each word part have? One vowel. Finding the vowels in words helps us read the words. Finding the vowels in words helps us read the words. Watch me find the vowels in these words. What sound do we see? AU makes the sound ah. You would underline AU. It's a vowel combination, so underline the vowel combination AU. Also underline the letter I. I will show you. Look, AU gets underlined. Ah. I gets underlined because it's also a vowel. Ah is the first word part. It is the second part. Audit. What word? Audit. Next word, the word that we have is can. Underline the A, underline the I. Look closely. Underline the A, underline the I. We found two vowels. That means it has two word parts. How many word parts? Two. Now let's read the word parts. Can, did, candid. Now let's look at this other word. Fault. We have one vowel combination. That means it only gets one underline. Yes, I noticed that there's two vowels here, but AU combine to make the sound ah. Look closely. Fault. What word? Fault. It wasn't my fault that the cookie jar broke. Fault. Now let's look at line 2. AU makes the ah sound. What sound? Ah. So we only get one. This one we'll just have to remember that E is silent. So it's cause, cause. There, E doesn't make a sound in this word, cause, because, cause. All right? Look at line 2, second word. Underline the A, underline the AI. Cap, 10. Remember, it's tain. Captain. But we really don't say captain. You would be pronouncing it right. It's captain. Now continue with the rest of activity E. If you need any help, I'll be here, but I also will be testing you on the words. Remember, you are only doing activity E. What activity? Activity E only. Really quickly before we just move on, we need to cover activity F, but there's nothing to do for activity F. You just need to listen. Listen, sometimes when we read long words, the word doesn't sound right. We have to change the pronunciation of the word so it makes more sense in the sentence. Let's see if you can change these words to make sense in the sentence. Listen carefully. I read the word vitamins. Change the word to make sense in this sentence. Many people say vitamins to improve their health. What should the word be? Again, many people take vitamins to improve their health. What should the word be? Vitamins. All right, perfect. I will read the word. Holiday. Change the word to make sense in the sentence. In some countries, New Year's Day is a special holiday. What word? Holiday. In some countries, New Year's Day is a special holiday. Next one. Curtain. To keep the sun out of your eyes, close the curtains. We wouldn't say curtain, we would say curtain. Next word, tornado. The word is tornado destroyed more than 100 houses. We don't say tornado, we'd say tornado. The next word is astronaut. What word? Astronaut. The astronaut went into outer space. We would say astronaut, right? Astronaut. Perfect. Remember, for this activity, you're only doing activity E. You need to underline the vowel combinations and any vowels that you see. A, E, I, O, U, and the vowel combinations that you learned in this lesson were, let's look at it really quickly. You could always reference your new vowel sounds, A-U, A-I, A-Y. Those are the vowel combinations you'll be circling. Perfect, guys. Get going. It's on Cami. Open it up with Cami.